Hi everybody, I wanted to share Stampin' Up's new collection, the Fitting Florets Collection. This includes your designer series paper, a die set, 2 stamp sets, and your gold adhesive back swirl gems. This collection is available for demonstrators to pre-order now through the end of the month, and customers can order it starting November 1st. If you're interested in ordering this collection now, it's a great time. Stampin' Up is having a starter kit special. For only $99 plus tax and free shipping, you can get $155 worth of product for your choice. If you added this whole collection to your starter kit, you still have $57.50 left that you could spend on other items of your choice. So it's a great time to purchase. And I just wanted to go through these items with you. So the first thing we have are these gold adhesive back swirls. I love those. I hope you can see them on camera. Then we have our photopolymer set, our Framed Florets. And I love the mixed fonts that come in this stamp set. And then these images are perfect to color with your Stampin' Blends or watercolors. Then we have our Cling Red Rubber stamp set, Frames and Festive. I love how these sentiments are larger, and then they all fit perfectly in the oval dies that I'm going to show you shortly. And these are the Framed Florets dies. So this is a large die set. It comes on 2 sheets, and it has some really pretty frames. So these frames, this one just cuts out the hearts. It doesn't cut out the oval. However, if you put this one inside, it will cut the oval shape out for this one. And then of course you'll also cut this one as well. And I love how this has these embossing lines on it. And then this is the other frame, which is really pretty. And this is large, so I'll take up most of your standard size A2 card. And then of course we have the dies that cut out the flowers, all the flowers for your card. And it does come with some extra leaves as well that cut out. And then I wanted to show you this die cuts out. Just gonna move this around. It cuts this out. So you'll be able to use that to cut that flower shape out. I love when they coordinate the dies to cut some of the flowers in the paper. And next I wanted to show you guys this paper pack. I love it. It definitely has a lot of designs and colors that I'll find myself using a lot. And you can go ahead and you can fussy cut out these flowers if you like fussy cutting. And they're beautiful around those frames when you do that. And here's the back side. And then we have this, which you could use for holiday cards as well. And then the back side of that. And I love these blue flowers with that dark blue background. And here's the back of that. And then we have more flowers, and you can even fussy cut these little ones out if you like. Here's the back of that. And this one you can use for holiday cards as well. I think they made this set so you can use it all year round for holiday cards and non-holiday cards. And there's the back of that. And then this is my favorite. This is your Evening Evergreen gingham check. I love that. And then here's the back of that, which is very pretty. Once again, I love those. I don't know if they're balmy blue. I'm thinking they are. I love those flowers. I wanted to show you guys some of the different images and frames that you can get from this set. So when you use this die, you get this outside frame. And I love how everything cuts out so nicely. And then you also get this plain oval inside frame. And then, like I was saying, for this heart frame, it cuts only the hearts out. So here I just ran it through, and you can see the frame that you get on your card with just the hearts. The next time I ran it through with the hearts, and then I took this frame and I put that inside and ran it through my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Then this gives you 3 pieces. You get that heart cut out with the oval in the middle. You also get this beautiful piece, and then you get your inside oval as well. So now you can start playing around and stacking these different and putting them together as you like. So just some different ideas. You can put those together, which is really pretty. You can put this one inside of that. You can also take your plain oval and put that on there. So there's just lots of different ideas and different ways that you can use these. So it's very versatile. You get a lot of different designs out of just these 3 dies. I want to share that with you. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about this new collection or about joining my Seaside Stampers team, please feel free to reach out to me at myhappinesscreated@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that everybody has a wonderful day. Happy crafting!